Introducing the Rise Vision Media Player. Hey, my name is Bailey, and I'm going to be talking all about the new Rise Vision Media Player. I'll be going over some of the features of this product and how to set it up with Rise Vision digital signage software. The Rise Vision Media Player is the center of our new offering, the Rise Vision Media Player hardware as a service. The Rise Vision Media Player is a high-performance device designed for digital signage. It takes minutes to set up and flawlessly handles demanding schedules full of animated templates and video. But where the Rise Vision Media Player shines is when it's combined with Rise Vision, the #1 digital signage software. Rise Vision is easy to use and makes it simple for you to delegate management of your digital signage to anyone in your organization. Rise Vision comes with over 550 professionally designed and animated templates to choose from, and popular integrations that allow you to automatically pull content from services like Google Slides, Google Calendar, Microsoft Office, Canva, and more. Not only is creating and managing your digital content easy, but we have the best service, free training, and fast support from our knowledgeable team. The Rise Vision Media Player hardware as a service solution is the perfect device to power your Rise Vision digital signage, and it's completely managed by Rise Vision. With the Rise Vision Media Player, you can say goodbye to hardware hassles and focus on the message you're communicating, not the hardware to deliver it. In just minutes, your digital masterpiece comes to life. Its plug-and-play simplicity is designed for education and commercial use. With high-performance capabilities, it flawlessly handles demanding schedules, from animated templates to live data and video. Our white glove service handles it all: software updates, troubleshooting, advanced replacements, and regular device upgrades. Leave the hassles to us. With the Rise Vision Media Player, you can get predictable hardware costs and simplify procurement by purchasing your digital signage software and hardware all from Rise Vision. And you can easily scale your network without worrying about sunk hardware costs. When you open your Rise Vision Media Player, you will have everything you need to start sharing amazing digital signage content. Inside the box is the Rise Vision Media Player, an HDMI cable to connect the media player to your display, a 12-volt power cable, and a Wi-Fi antenna to connect the device to your network. Plus, we have a helpful guide on our website. All you need to get started with your Rise Vision Media Player is a TV, keyboard, and mouse. First, connect your Rise Vision Media Player to your TV using the HDMI cable. Then, you need to connect your device to the internet. You can do this using an Ethernet connection or using Wi-Fi. For this demonstration, we are going to connect the Wi-Fi antenna to our Rise Vision Media Player. To connect to the Wi-Fi, you will need to also connect your USB mouse and keyboard to the black USB ports on the front of the device. Next, connect your Rise Vision Media Player to power using the supplied power cable. The device will automatically turn on and launch the Rise Vision Player application on your display. Now that the device is connected to the internet, all that's left is to activate your display. To do this, you can navigate to the Rise Vision website on your laptop, desktop, or mobile device at www.risevision.com/activate. Log into your Rise Vision account and follow the display activation steps there. Now you're ready to start improving communication with digital signage. Please make sure to visit our Help Center for more guidance on how to make the most of your Rise Vision account and, of course, digital signage.